Hi there, my name's Simon, and in this episode of the Maserati Guy, we're going to be taking a trip from Sydney to Canberra, but not an ordinary trip. It's going to be at something like 3,600 kilometers an hour. Bit of fun, with a few stops on the way. I remember as a kid watching a film entitled something like London to Brighton in 3 minutes, and it was taken from the cab of a train, and was an early version of a hyperlapse, one of the earliest versions of a hyperlapse. I'll see if I can find it on YouTube. I'm sure it'll be there somewhere. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy. Egg and bacon McMuffin time. Drive through. Okay. There we go.
Welcome to McDonald's. What would you like today?
Hi there. Could I get egg and bacon McMuffin, please?
And anything else today?
And a large latte, no sugar.
No worries. Just through to the second window, 965.
Thank you. Thank you, just on card, thanks.
There we go. Excellent, just to the next window.
Thank you. It's my regular stop on the way back to Canberra. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See ya. All done. Shouldn't taste so good, but it does. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this speeded up trip from Sydney to Canberra. Thanks again for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber, and hit that notification bell. It really does help me to make more videos. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Maserati Guy 2017, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.